Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with Gus & Cho Associates. I want to talk today about mortgage letters of explanation. So these underwriters ask you for a letter of explanation on something. And I get a lot of calls on this because people panic. I'm not even doing their loan. They're in a mortgage underwriting process and their loan officer's not communicating with them, and they're panicking because they're freaking out what to write. I had someone call me today and said, I ran my credit with a bank and I was shopping for a mortgage and they're asking me to write an explanation on this. What do I do? I said, what was it for? And they said, I ran a mortgage. It was a mortgage. I was applying for a mortgage. I didn't go with them. What do I say? I said, don't relax. It's no big deal, right? Name of the bank, the date that you were inquired about that, inquiry for a mortgage, and say I was shopping for a mortgage, no new debt. Sign and date it. That's it. No need to panic. And that's what most letters of explanation are. So when an underwriter asks for a letter of explanation, most of the time, it's no big deal. Explain this address. I used to rent there. I used to own that. That's my mom's house. Just a simple letter. Sign and date it. They're going to ask for addresses for your whole history. They're going to ask about all your inquiries, and then they're going to ask about all your bad credit. So when it comes to bad credit, that's where it becomes more serious, and you have to think about what you're saying. You can't just say a little basic anything you want. So if your loan's approve eligible and it's run through a computerized approval system and you have a couple late payments here and there, they just want to know explanation. It doesn't have to be detailed and lengthy. So let's say you had late on a credit card 2 years ago, it was Christmas time, you got so backed up and it was so hectic, you had a party of 100 people staying at your house and that one slipped by you. That's okay if that's what happened. Or you went to the hospital that month, you broke your leg and that bill got by you. That's okay. But if you're doing, like, let's say a manual underwrite and you're doing a tougher loan and you had a bankruptcy, your letter of explanation does need to be detailed, and it does need to be, okay, this is what happened, we fell behind, we just never could catch up, life got really hard for us, we had to go bankrupt, we were really embarrassed, we didn't want to do it, but since then we've learned how to budget, and this is not going to happen again because of A, B, or C, and you write a really long, sad story. In that case, the letter of explanation is important, and you guys do need to probably call me and not just wing that yourself. But most letter of explanations are no big deal. So keep that in mind. And another explanation that comes up a lot is, what are these deposits? So they want you to write a letter. So now if they're cash deposits, there's no letter really that's going to really help you. Most cash deposits are just zero, can't accept them. So if it's a check you got from IRS, write a letter, IRS refund, give a copy of the check, and then that satisfies that. So bank deposits, you have to really write what that money came from and show proof of it to see if they're going to let you use that money. So those are the basic skinny on letters of explanation. If you got any questions, you're having trouble with your letter of explanation, give me a call anytime, and I'll see if I can help you. My phone number is 630-915-7550, and please subscribe.